For a home that beats along with the metro's vitality. With discerning eyes, the meticulous search goes in every nook, every stroke, and every facet, craving for that flair of refinement and artistry. Today, you will need a home that is exquisite from every angle. The Valorant Tower.
No, it's starting na.
It's the dynamic city.
You check. It's
The
post.
Valorant Tower is a residential masterpiece rising soon along the C5 Ortigas corridor,
Here, I decided not to start.
missing real estate landscape poised to be the next big central business district. The C5 Ortigas corridor is in the midst of active redevelopment. The country's most prominent real estate companies have already established their presence in the area through their large-scale mixed-use townships. The national government also announced two projects to promote urban connectivity. The ongoing Metro Manila subway will pass through Pasig City with stations in Ortigas and Shaw Boulevard. Meanwhile, the MRT-4 line shall connect the Ortigas CBD to Rizal province. The future of the C5 Ortigas corridor is truly exciting, and it's your turn to take part in it. This address opens the door to a vibrant city lifestyle. Check out the nearby superstore and malls, hosting a selection of fashion boutiques and culinary restaurants. Feel at ease knowing that your health is the priority of these reputable hospitals. Immerse in the pulse of the nearby central business districts, which are simply accessible. The Valorant Tower grants you exquisite access to all significant areas that matter. Expertise beyond the years. DMCI Homes has been one of the leading pillars in Philippine real estate since 1999. Anchored on the principles of world-class quality, value for money, and client satisfaction, DMCI Homes has earned the trust of loyal customers and first-time and seasoned investors. And on its illustrious 25th year, DMCI Homes aims to continue pushing the boundaries of excellence by partnering with another expert, the Marubeni Corporation. Collaborating with a global conglomerate and one of Japan's biggest investment companies is like a perfect tapestry. International excellence and local expertise will elevate the standards of real estate development in the country. With mutual understanding, shared values, and proven experience in crafting transformative lifestyle solutions, DMCI Homes and Marubeni Corporation are proud to introduce the Valorant Tower. Exceptional, inside and out. Looking at the Valorant Tower, you will be captivated by its exquisite design. Veering away from the mundane but highly commercial look of residential condominiums in Metro Manila, the Valorant Tower dares to be distinct with its modern artisanal design. It beckons you to the warmth of finally coming home. Driving into the Valorant Tower, you'll leave the bustling city behind. The landscape outdoors is a refreshing sight that is rare and exquisite in the city. The stylish lobby radiates sophistication and detail. Now, you can proudly welcome your guests as you usher them to the open lounge. On the ground floor, a selection of conveniences await. Alfresco commercial spaces and a convenience store shall cater to your basic needs. A co-working space with a reliable internet connection and ergonomic setup. And a fitness gym for a challenging yet invigorating workout. Life's abundance within. Ascend to the amenity floor and escape to its exquisite charm. Watch the young ones run around the children's play area. Engage in a friendly match on the basketball court. Play with your fur pet on the verdant open lawn. Relax in the open lounge and take time to savor your well deserved investment. There's no such thing as too many swimming pools. Indulge in the leisure pool while being embraced by the green room. Or have your kids enjoy a splish splash at the kiddie pool. Another pool awaits you if you go up to the roof deck. Feelings above the city. Valorant Tower's pinnacle, you'll meet more impressive amenities. Embrace moments of tranquility amidst the expanse above the city in the Sky Lounge. Savor the panoramic city skyline from the Sky Promenade. Immerse in a resort-inspired ambience in the Sky Deck Pool. In the Valorant Tower, all amenities are designed as a celebration of the good life. A true treat for your mind, body, and soul. Serenity behind the doors. Never miss out on the exclusive living experience within the Valorant Tower studio. One bedroom, two bedroom, and three bedroom units. Among the unit offerings in the area, the Valorant Tower offers more spacious units with superior value. Ahead of the game, bespoke living comes naturally as we've anticipated and taken care of your needs. Get a first-hand experience of our commitment to excellence through in-house professional services such as property management, unit leasing, and community development. Enjoy the benefits and exclusivity of our value-added services, such as the subscription-free, commercial-grade community internet, rideshare, or the community carpool program within identified areas in Pasig City, and the MCI Community's mobile app for community features and services. Beyond the distinct artisanal design, the Valorant Tower takes pride in the Lumivent design technology. The MCI Home's well-known innovative design feature that enriches your space with natural light and air. Suitable for those who discern nothing but exquisite. The Valorant Tower, rising soon in Pasig City. A quality development of DMCI Homes and Marubeni Corporation.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to those who enter in the live stream. I am Hannah Maga, a property consultant from DMCI Homes. It's a pleasure to meet you all. It's my first time introducing myself in DMCI Homes about Valorant Towers. I'm here with my office mates and the team who will be presenting here in Zoom. Sir Conrad and Sir Mitz will be also presenting the PowerPoint of Valorant Towers. I hope you are doing well there, especially it's a great evening today. So this is the slide of Valorant Tower, which is located in Pasig City alongside C5. This is the project name and logo. It means strength. Colors depict fortitude while its V-shaped, multi-faceted icon represents the fast-paced and vigorous city setting. Which is why when you look at the outlook of the building, you will see that it's made of a special material. So I said a while ago in the first slide, it's located in C5 in Barangay Ugong, Pasig City. The theme is modern artisanal. It is a good architectural type. The development type is one high-rise building. It has 55 stories. Its ground floor with commercial spaces, 5 podium levels, one amenity floor which is located in the 7th floor. It also has 49 residential floors, one roof deck, and two basement parking levels. There are four types of unit in Valoron, which is studio type, one bedroom, two bedroom, and three bedroom. The open space ratio in the amenity is 76%. So if you see the map, they will guide you to Valoron Tower, which is near in E. Rodriguez Avenue in C5. Since it's very tall, it is very pleasing and easy to look at, especially when you're stuck in traffic. Instead of complaining about the traffic, you can just look at the beautiful view of the Valiant Tower. So, to be not confused, this is the full map. The key places of interest in schools for you to be guided so that it will be easy for you to go there. The time is only approximate because if it's traffic, the time in going there will be different. So the first school is Ridley International School, which is 400 meters away. It takes 5 minutes going there. The next one is Domus Cola International School, which is 400 meters, and it's only 5 minutes as well. The next one is Arellano University in Andres Bonifacio campus in 1.5 kilometers, which is 6 minutes away. The next one is Ateneo School of Medicine, which is 1.6 kilometers away, and it's 6 minutes away. The next one is St. Paul College in Pasig, which is 1.7 kilometers, and it's also 60 minutes. The next one is Academy for International Culinary Arts, or in short form, ICA, which is 2.1 kilometer away from, from the Valorant Tower. It's also 6 minutes. Next one is Pasig Catholic College, 2.2 kilometers away, and it's all 6 minutes too. The next one is University of Asia and the Pacific, which is 2.3 kilometers and 8 minutes away. Next school is Lourdes School Mandaluyong Foundation, which is 2.6 kilometers away and 9 minutes. The last two schools here are Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Pasig and RTU Pasig Campus, which is 9 minutes away also. But the Pasig campus is 3.5 kilometers and Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Pasig is 2.9 kilometers. So let's move to the next slide. So if you see the key places of interest and the retail establishments, these are the malls that are located near Balaron Tower. But as I said a while ago, it depends on the traffic because the time can change. So the first one is SM Center Pasig. Next one is Tiendesitas. Next one is Landers by Arcovia. All of the malls there are 3 minutes away from Balurang Tower, but the distance in SM Center Pasig is 250 meters. In Tiendesitas, 450 meters. Inland, there's Arcovia. It's 800 meters. The next one, which is almost my favorite mall since I have been going there a lot of times during anime cons, which is in Ayala Malls the 30th. It's 1.9 kilometer and 6 minutes away. The next one is Estancia Mall. It's 2 kilometers away and 6 minutes. Next one is the Business Street, which is in Eastwood Mall, which is 6 minutes away and 2.9 kilometers. So if you go to Eastwood, you'll see a lot of buildings because it's also a business district, just like in BGC. The next one is the one you are all guys familiar with the parking problems because many people go there anytime they want since it's on the way, which is located in SM Mega Mall, which is 9 minutes away and 2.2 kilometers. The next one is Robinson's Galleria. It's 2.4 kilometers away and 9 minutes. For you to guys know, Robinson's Galleria, it's a near mall also alongside SM Mega Mall. So if you ride a car going to EDSA, you'll always see the malls that are very close together. But the walking distance is different because when you enter first, you see Robinson's Galleria. When you go driveway inside, you see SM Mega Mall. So that's the good information right there. The next one is Shangri-La Plaza. It's 9 minutes away and 2.6 kilometers. So if you see here, this is also the map connecting to the malls right here. So in the next slide, you will see the healthcare places. The first one is Medical City. It's 1.7 kilometers and 6 minutes away. The next one is Family Healthcare Hospital, which is 1.8 kilometers and it's 6 minutes away. The next one is Rizal Medical Center. It is 8 minutes away and 2.8 kilometers from Valoron. The next one is Pasig City General Hospital, which is 10 minutes away and 3.7 kilometers. The next one is Pasig Medical and Maternity Hospital. It's 11 minutes away and 4 kilometers from Valoron Tower. So this is also the full map. Next is the townships. The first one is Arcovia City. It's 450 meters away. It takes only 1 minute. You can actually walk going there, but the distance will be different because it depends how fast you walk. The next one is Ortigas East. It's 500 meters away and it takes only 3 minutes. The next one is Bridget Town, which is 1.4 kilometer away and 3 minutes. Next one is Park Links, which is 2.0 kilometers away and 4 minutes. The next one is Ortigas Center, which is 9 minutes away and 2.1 kilometers. Last one not the least, that says in the previous slide, except it's a city, which is located in Eastwood, which is 10 minutes away and 3.3 kilometers. That's actually the farthest place to go. Next is the value proposition. First is a master class development in the next Metro Central Business District. So it will be alongside the other buildings as well. That's why it's called a master class. The next one is expertly designed and crafted home auction. So if you see the structure, it's something different from the other condo units. The third one is the resort is very expansive with a lot of amenities and features. It's best for money option and excellent investment. So if you buy a condo unit, you can do anything. The last one is a development of two very reputable companies. So in the first one, in C5 Ortigas Corridor, various developers has been developing a number of mixed-use townships along this stretch of C5 road bordering the Marikina River. So as I said in the previous slide, it will be the Metro's next big CBT. Do you know what's the reason? Because the condo will be very big, unlike in the other residences. So Valeron will be located here between the Grove and Gem residences. It will consist of residential condominiums, office buildings, a number of commercial establishments, spacious parks, and open spaces. So if you go there, you will see a lot of things there when you stay in the condo. So it will be a lot of buildings, just like in BGC. So if you invest early, it will be enormous in growth potential because the buildings there will be very tall. It's like you are riding the Tokyo Sky Tree, which makes the view very nice. It will be discussed later in the presentation. For now, this will how it looked like in those pictures. The continuous increase of residential real estate prices in the country will be 12.9 increase as of Q3 2023 and 8.9% for condominiums. Next one will be an expertly designed and crafted home option. It will integrate a very aesthetic design combined with captivating features. So, so this will how it looked like when it finished constructing. So you could take a lot of pictures there when you stay there and or you do TikToks. Because if you see here, this is the sky this is the sky promenade, which is located in the highest floor, which will be discussed later also. Because it's really good to look outside. It will exude a feel of sophistication that emanates a exquisite lifestyle. It means that when you are there, you feel like that you are staying in the hotel, even though it's a condo, so that you'll have a resort feeling. The facade design with landscaping exudes elegance and exclusivity, intended to be different in the highly commercial theme of nearby establishments. So if you pass by here by the road, it will feel like you are going to a mall, except it's a condo. Because this building is inspired by City of Dreams. Have you guys heard of City of Dreams? It's located in Pasay City, near Okada. So if you see the structure outside, it's also like that. Because in the MCI, the Valorant take an inspiration from it. So you will feel the awe of it, even though it will be traffic going there. And this is how it looks like in night. The building will put out a unique light for others to enjoy the view, especially when it's rush hour. When you arrive in Valoron, it will be greeted like a hotel lobby once you step inside. So it will look like this, and it's located here, which is why this condo is very special. Even myself, I want to stay there if I have a chance. So this is the full layout of the Valorant Tower. It has a separate elevator access from the ground level to the amenity level and residential units that ensures privacy and exclusivity of residents, which means that in case you're very busy or you want some privacy, there is this elevator. And you can see the roads here. Maybe there. So in the next slide, you will see the gateway to access the residential floors. It will give chance for them to bask in the beauty of the expansive resort-style amenities. It's located in this area. So in case you want to stay there to amaze the view, this condo unit has the gateway. So this is the full building. So when you greet your guests in the amenity floor and showcase the resort style feel of your home, you'll see the different things like leisure pool, basketball court, entertainment room, open lounge, bar area, and there are two kinds. This is the west and this is the east. And also the reception area. And as you see here, the kiddie pool and the children's play area are close to each other. In case the kids will really like to enjoy, they put the play area here beside the kiddie pool. There is also the gazebo. In here, there's also an open lawn so that you'll be able to enjoy the nature and the other greeneries. And you can also jog everywhere. The next one is the stunning views and the relaxing vibe at the roof deck, which also features a number of amenities. So if you go to the topmost floor, you could see the infinity pool and also the relax area. This is the full map of the roof deck area. You take a dip while enjoying the views in the sky deck pool or hang around and relax in the sky lounge. So when you go up there, you will see the bar area, the sky lounge, the sky promenade, as I said in the previous slide, and also the sky deck pool. It's really common for the condo units and hotels to put a sky deck pool so that at the same time when you're swimming, you can enjoy looking at the view. And if you see in the Valorant Rest, there is also a bar area and a sky lounge wherein you can relax and enjoy. Expansive resort-inspired amenities and features. There are three levels to a wide range of resort-inspired amenities. So that's why they separated the swimming pool. The view will be different here and also here. So there are different amenities. There is the open lounge, the leisure pool, the kiddie pool, and the children's play area. So this will how it look like when the place is done in construction. It really looks very nice when you look at it. The next one is the open lawn and the basketball court. So as you see here, there is a narrow road because you can jog with the pets or you could bring your friends here to jog as long as you are buying a condo unit. So this is what you'll see. And in the basketball court, you could enjoy playing sports as long as you like. The next one is the sky deck pool, the sky lounge, the sky promenade, and snack bar. So in case you're hungry and you're in the roof deck, you can buy any snacks you want. And in the sky lounge, this is good when you are refreshing yourself and relaxing the view at the same time looking at the other buildings. This is the sky promenade in the roof deck also. When you see the plants. Sky deck pool is one of my favorites because when I go there, I usually relax and enjoy looking. This is the best value for money option and excellent investment. Competitive side versus the lower price per square meter compared to competition. The resort-inspired amenities are very expansive. It has that feel of elegance and exclusivity. It has the legacy of DMCI homes, which is why it's really good when you buy the condo unit of Valeron Towers. A development of two reputable companies. So this condo is joined by Marubeni Corporation. To know DNCI Homes, it's the first ever quadruple A builder developer. It is a premium developer of resort-inspired communities. It has more than 70 completed properties. To know Marubeni, it's a Japanese global conglomerate which operates worldwide and has a diverse portfolio which spans in multiple sectors such as energy, infrastructure, finance, and more. It is one of the longest foreign companies conducting business in the Philippines for more than 100 years. It is a powerhouse partnership with mutual understanding, shared values, and proven experience in crafting transformative lifestyle solutions. Before I go to the next slide, I want to check you guys if you're still okay there and if the sounds are clear.
All
Yes.
clear.
All good.
That's
All
great.
good,
All
very
clear.
everyone
so
is
let's so let's
listening to
go.
you.
Okay, that's really good. So let's go to the next slide. So in Marubeni, it has the philosophy meaning of fairness, innovation, and harmony. Again, it's one of the biggest global conglomerates in Japan. It covers investments in fields of infrastructure, real estate, power, consumer products, transportation, technology, finance, and others. It has more than 140 years in business. Their diverse portfolio covers 370 subsidiaries, 163 affiliated companies, and 131 offices. It's updated as of April 2023. So this is very interesting. Especially, I really love Japan so much, which is why I want to go to Valorant Towers. In the MCI homes, it operates over 60 years in the industry in construction heritage. For real estate developer, it is over 20 years of experience in developing quality residential development. It is the first quadruple A builder development in the Philippines. It has that quality workmanship. Its proven track record of quality and excellence in over 70 properties and counting, launched and developed nationwide. So it has 102-point inspection and it's designed with Lumivent technology. Lumivent technology means wind, wind and yeah, it means wind because when you enter there in Sky Paseo and Sky Promenade, the wind will enter for you to feel relaxed, which is why it has the Lumivent technology. The unique services of DMCI homes when you stay in Valorant Towers is DMCI Communities mobile app. So you'll be able to download the app for you to have value and to join. Then if you buy a condo unit, they will provide you a free internet, which is everyone's favorite, so that you don't have to buy data anymore. It is subscription free, commercial grade fiber internet in units and select common area. So the internet in the NCI homes is very fast because it's made out of fiber. The next one is rideshare. It is a mobile app-based community carpool program exclusive to DMCI Homes residents, the first of its kind in residential condos in the country. So you'll be able to download the app so that it will guide you wherever you go. There will be move-in assistance, handiworks, and IT services right away in your community, which is really in home ease. So this is the property in focus. So here in DMCI and Marubeni, Property Ventures Incorporated, or in shortcut DMPVI. So in this PowerPoint presentation, in the general ones from the previous slide, it has 8,390 square meters. It is 55 stories, which is very high. It has 49 residential floors, 5 podium parking and basement parking. It also has 3 amenity floors. So these are the guides. The C5 is alongside here and another street is here. So this is how it looks like when it comes in evening. So if you see here, the lighting is The lighting is really very special because it also has fountain. It will feel like you are going to Soler, except it's in Valorant Tower. Then it has a lot of greeneries on the outside and also flowers. So in case you are stuck in traffic, again, you'll be able to enjoy this view. So this is the full map of the hotel. So when you drop off in the hotel from Grab or you bring car, this is the drop off area. And here is the parking area. This is the gym, the open lounge, the commercial area, the west tower, and the east tower to the elevator lobby. And then there's also another parking here. And the alfresco area. So this is the full screen of the lobby when you enter inside Valorant Tower. It looks really luxurious when you look at it. So this is for the podium, the view of the podium area. So the podium is in this area. So to go back here, you'll see a convenience store. So in case you're waiting for a client or someone who will guide you, you could buy food in the convenience store while waiting. And the open lounge is here. And also my favorite part, which is the gym. So in case you want to exercise and enjoy using the materials and equipment, the gym is here. So the podium is located in the first floor. So this is how it looks like in the podium area. So this is the map of Valorant Towers. So you could drop off here also near the basement parking. And then the commercial area is here. This is the reception area and the gym, as I said a while ago. And then these are the stairs. So here is the map of the perfect location. It's shaped like a star. Do you know why? Because it has five things: perfect location, expansive amenities, innovative features and services, spacious unique cuts, and value for money. This is why I hope you guys can buy the condo units in Valorant Tower. So for the perfect location. So if you see the map here, the first one is Eastwood City. The next is Park Links. The next one is Bridgetown, SMDC, and here is the Valorant Tower. The other side is Ortigas East. The next one is Arcovia City. So these are the pictures that said of the words from the map for you to guys to know. So the SMDC is here, the Bridgetown, the Park Links, the Eastwood, and Arcovia City. So this is the full map. So this is the MRT3. So when you go to the Valorant Tower, you could take a ride or you could take a walk. This is the Quezon City, Marikina, Antipolo, Taguig, and Makati. So if you go to the roof deck, depending on the condo unit you buy, you'll be able to see the full view of these places. So these are the Central Business District. The first one is in Ortigas, which is 10 minutes away. The next one is BGC in Taguig. This is my favorite part because there are a lot of places to walk also. But sadly, it's 27 minutes. So please expect when it's traffic, the time can change. The next one, which is the farthest, is Makati. 10 kilometers away and it's 30 minutes. So these are the pictures of the malls. The Tiendesitas, which is 1.3 kilometers in just 4 minutes. The next one is SM Pasig, which is 5 minutes away and 1.6 kilometers. The next one is Opus Mall, which is 1.3 kilometers and 5 minutes. The next one is SM Mega Mall, which is everybody's favorite mall because many people go here every day. It is only 40 minutes and 3.8 kilometers. For the schools, this is the Domus Shola International College, which is 7 minutes away and 0.5 kilometers. The next one is Ridley International College, which is 7 minutes and also zero point 0.5 kilometers. The next one is UANP, which is 4.2 kilometers and 16 minutes. Some of my friends studied in this school also. The next one is St. Pedro Poveda College, which is 6 minutes away, 16 minutes, and 4.5 kilometers. The next one is Ateneo de Manila University, which is 7.9 kilometers away and 23 minutes. The last one but not the least, which is University of the Philippines, which is 9.7 kilometers and 31 minutes. So this is the approximate time of traveling when it's not traffic. The next one is the hospital. This is the picture of the medical city, which is 9 minutes away and 2.5 kilometers. The next one is St. Luke's Medical Center, which is 22 minutes and 7.1 kilometers away. I think all of you guys are really familiar with these hospitals because when you go there in E. Rodriguez, you will see St. Luke's right away and also Medical City, just like the schools in the previous slide. The next one is churches. The first one is CCF, which stands for Christ Commission Fellowship. It is 1.1 kilometers away. The next one is Nuestra Senora del Rosario, which is zero point 0.7 kilometers away. The next one is Fire Station, which is the Pasig Fire and Rescue Volunteer Group Incorporated, which is 1.4 kilometers away. The next one is Rosario Fire and Rescue Station, which is 1.5 kilometers away. For the police station, it is Police Community Precinct 15, which is zero point 0.5 kilometers away, and the Precinct 8, which is 1.3 kilometers away. The next one is the expansive amenities. So this is the roof deck, the seventh floor, and the ground floor. So as you see here, there is the open space area, and it's 76% of open spaces, so that the residents will really enjoy the view and will be more relaxed. So to tackle here in the Valorant Tower, the first one is commercial spaces and convenience store. So it is located in this area. The next one is the lobby, which is here. The commercial space is really big. The third one is co-working space, which is located across the fitness gym. The fifth one is the transfer elevator, which is located right here beside the convenience store. So for the transfer elevator, you will go to the seventh floor because this one is separated from the podium, which is why there are two elevators in Valorant Towers. So when you go to the seventh floor, this will be the map. The first one is the transfer elevator, which is located here. The second one is the open lounge, which is here. The third one is the entertainment room, which is located across the basketball court. The fourth one is the snack bar, which is here. The fifth one is the open lawn, which is located right here. The sixth one is the basketball court, which is across the leisure pool and the entertainment room. The seventh one is the leisure pool. Eighth one is the kiddie pool, which is next to the play area. Especially the kids love running around and relaxing at the pool with the family. Which is why in Valorant Towers, you'll be able to enjoy with the kids also. So this is the full picture of the open lounge with the leisure pool. This is the open lawn. There are also chairs here so that you could really relax in case you are tired from jogging or you want to relax. You can sit here and do things you want, like reading books or working and etc. The trees are here for you to enjoy the greeneries. And there are also different flowers here and the grasses. It has the unique aesthetic of the hill. So this is the full picture of the leisure pool. There are chairs here wherein you can drink or enjoy to be sun kissed by the sun, especially it's very hot now. But if it's raining, of course you have to go to the shade, which is right here. And the leisure pool is right there with the fountains for you to enjoy looking at. The next one is the kiddie pool, which is right here. So if you swim in the kiddie pool, you'll be able to see different grasses and the greeneries right here. The next one is the play area. This reminds me of my childhood because I used to go to the swings a lot when I go to the park with my family. There are different kinds of play areas here. So if you have a lot of free time or you want to relax after your homework or your school, you can go here to the play area. And you will see a lot of trees here with the unique roads and the pool. The next one is the full view of the basketball court. Usually, people nowadays they play basketball a lot because when I travel to condos, I always see a lot of people playing basketball, which is why in Valorant Towers they put a basketball court for them to enjoy playing while looking at the view. So this is the map of the roof deck area. This is the sky deck pool, the snack bar and kitchen, which is right here, with the open sky lounge for you to enjoy eating. The third one is the sky promenade, which is located in three areas. This is the first area, the second area, and the third area. So this is the full roof deck. When we go to the topmost floor of the Valorant Tower. So to see here, if you're staying in this side, you will see Quezon City. Also Antipolo and Ortigas. So if you stay in here, you'll be able to see both of them. Which is why it's really enjoyable to look at the whole city as if you are in the Tokyo Skytree in Japan. So this is the back view. If you stay in the back side of the condo unit, you'll be able to see Laguna de Bay, BGC, and Makati. So you'll be able to see around three cities in one whole view. Diba? It's really enjoyable to look at them when you are staying in the condo unit at the same time when you're working or relaxing. So this is the full view of the roof deck in the topmost floor. And here are the people who are enjoying right there with the views outside. This is the full view of the sky promenade. You will enjoy the greeneries here. Like in other condo units of DMCI, the sky promenade will be shaped like this. The best one to go to sky promenade is when it's not raining at all. Because of course, when it's raining, you'll have to go to the shade. And you see a lot of barriers also here to make sure everyone is safe. And when you look up here, you could see how high you are in the topmost floor because you will be able to see the view from the lower ground to this area. So this is the full view of the Sky Lounge. So this is the view and you could sit around these chairs here. And the lightscape is really amazing here. Next to the pool. So this is how the snack bar and kitchen looks like in this area in the pool view. So the sky deck pool is located here with a lot of chairs and at the top most floor. This is the real view of the sky deck pool in a point of view. This is the view when it's in the evening. You'll see a lot of colorful lights in the other buildings, which is really good to go here. And there are lights in the bottom as well for others to see or far away. to see the light of Valorant Towers, which is why they put lights here. So the facilities are card-operated laundry station, which will be operated by the card number when you buy a unit for you to use the laundry area when you pay the association dues. Next one is the convenience store. As I said in the previous slide, you could do some grocery shopping here when you are able to buy. The next one is the water station. If you pay the association dues as well, you will get free refills of water in gallons, which is here in DMCI homes. The next one, services. Wait, I have to change my earphones quickly since it got low bass. Can you guys hear?
Yes, Hana. Medyo marami kang slides.
Ah, thank you so much. Okay, so for the
Go,
next,
go.
thank you. So the next one is innovative features and services. So we are in the 74th slide. So both of them has 10 elevators in the atrium level.
Hana, I think that part is ano na, Conrad's slides.
Sige, Ma'am Irene, thanks for reminding me.
Oo. Baka matapos mo. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. So this slide will be presented by Sir Conrad. I hope Sir Conrad is here.
Red. You can stop the share and then Conrad will share his own presentation.
Sure po, Ma'am Irene.
Ito na ba, boss?
Yes, it's your part
Okay.
na, diba? Mm-mm. Okay, thank you, Hana. You're the best.
Thank you so much po, Ma'am Irene.
Okay, makakabisado mo na yung Valorant. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ang ganda ba ng Valorant, 'di ba? So, yung Skydeck pool at yung ano tawag nito, yung location which is na-discuss ni Hana. And then, of course, yung partner ng DMCI, ang Marubeni, which is a Japanese company. So, pagdating sa construction, it's 100% talagang napakaganda. Ayun. So, Conrad will going to proceed the tawag nito,
Okay.
the unit layouts.
Boss, kita yung ano ko? Kita? Hindi.
Yes, the MCI Homes Communities.
Okay, good. Okay, good evening. By the way, my name is Conrad. Do I need to open my video? Wait. Okay na? Kita mo na ako? Kita, boss?
Yes, I can see you.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Again, my name is Conrad from the MCI, one of the DMCI in-house property consultant. So, getting into with the Valorant Tower, another ano ng DMCI, yung good communities wherein you can be able to have a good camaraderie with your neighbors, having your children, having the, what is this? Paintings or what, parties, and some yoga or Zumba. Wait lang po ba't tayo gumalaw? Medyo nag-ano siya. Okay, one of the DMCI home service is yung internet. I think already discussed by Hano na, yung internet which is free and ride share. Only yung mga unit owners that can be able to use ride share. So hindi na kitadaan kung saan pizza, dire-diretso na to. And then we have also the MCI mobile app. So you can pay on through mobile app everything, even the laundry. And home is dito whatever problems in your unit during your stay mo dito, let's say may mga cracks or any concern, maintenance, the manager will be able to help you out sa mga concerns niyo. Sorry, wait. Okay. Now, yung spacious, what good for the Valiant Tower is yung mga cats. Medyo mas malaki yung mga area nito in comparison with the other DMCI. So, we have here the two tower which is east and west. As you can see, we have 10 elevator each tower. East we have 10 and the west we have 10. So, in the long run, magkakaroon dito ng mga separation from the low and high zone o magkakaroon ng zoning to avoid yung traffic sa loob. Okay. So from here, as you can see, the studio, we only have minimal units available. We're in the side lang ng East Tower. But we have a plenty of units available in both towers with the 2 bedrooms. Normally, nasa inner units to, behind of the elevators. And the 3 bedrooms located on the corner. This one. For the East Tower, we have 3 available 3 bedrooms and also in the West Tower. And we have also in the West Tower 2 bedroom at the corner. This one. Sorry ha, nag-ano. So for the studio, normally for the studio we have 32.5 to 34.5. So mas malaki to di hamak kumpara with the others. So normally this is the unit layout for the studio. So when entering the units directly to the kitchen and living room. So as you can see, wala tayong rito, door or sliding door directly to the bedroom. But as you can see, we don't have the balcony available here. But don't worry, there is a space for the air conditions. So here only for the studio units, located only at the East Tower. So we have the second 1 bedroom, which normally ang unit area available is 46.5 to 48.5. So as you can see, normally, medyo nasa likod tayo ng elevator. Yung is 1 bedroom. So from the door entering, so medyo mag-left. Hindi siya directly sa dining area to living room. So medyo mag-a-adjust ka left or right. So parang L-type ang design niya. But here, there is the partition separating from the bedroom. And as you can see, there is no balcony available. It's because the facades of the building is different from the others. So we have another bedrooms, which is 2 bedrooms. Now, mas maraming available dito. So mostly in the inner units behind of the, the elevators. So normally we have 57.5 to 82.0 square unit area. So mas malalaki ang neto, ang cuts. Normally for the typical DMCI, around 47 start to 65, but here still have 82 to 91 square meter. So given with the unit layout from the entering, so you can see the dining and living room straight ahead and the 2 bedrooms. The good thing, we have the balcony now for the 2 bedrooms. Next is we have the 3 bedrooms. Normally we have 679.5 for the gross area, 76 to 85 square meter. So as I said a while ago, normally nasa corners lang available ng mga 3 bedrooms. So as you can see, what good for the 3 bedroom, we have 2 balconies. Balconies from the living area and balconies from the master's bedroom. So the good thing here also for the three bedroom, we have two toilet. The first one near the living room area, and the other one for the master's bedroom. So we have only just in case for the clients who needed for the tandem units, we still have available for the tandem unit. So as you can see, we have unit area 92, 116. So mas malalaki ang mga ano neto, mga area neto. So ito this from the studio area to the tandem with the two bedrooms. So here the example of the unit layout. So as you can see, we have only one balcony here. So but you can see a plenty of bedrooms. So here the bedrooms, the other one bedrooms, and the bedroom, and the toilets available. One, two. And the last one, we have mas malaking tandem, which is 116.5 the unit area for the total gross area, including the balcony, 102.5. So mas malaki to, just in case meron kayo, mas gusto niyo ng spacious masyado, ito, this is good for you. So, with the given balcony, so medyo mas malaki. So halos straight ahead na yung balcony sa loob, sa ano. So toilet and bathroom available. So given with the three bedrooms. So but as you can see, medyo spacious ang loob. So accommodate everything. So for the two numbers finishes, normally for all, studio given with a ceiling finishes. This one will be available during at your contract. So you will see it all. So studio also we have the provisions only for the air condition is split type for all units from studio. For the one bedroom, two and three bedrooms. So we have the kitchens, cabinet, and ceiling. How to see? Yan, mga availables. So these all the finishes will be how to say, kasama sa contract din to. So makikita nyo lahat to. So part of the DMCI, we see, upon move in, we have the 2 years warranty. So if everything happens, let's say magkaroon ng lindor or cracks, DMCI will be repair for it as part of the warranty period. So boss, I'm done. Boss.
Hi everyone. Thank you for the good presentation, Conrad, for the unit layouts. And then next presenter will be Meet Sabache for the computation and the promo for this month of August.
Yes, hello, good evening everyone. So, again, kamusta po yung mga viewers natin sa Facebook Live dyan and on my YouTube channel. So, good evening to all of you. So, on my part, I will discuss with you yung ano natin, sample computations for each type of unit that offers Valorant Tower. Valorant Tower offers. Okay, so I'll just share my screen. Hold on. Okay. Okay. So, before I start with the computation, let me first discuss with you the promo for this month of August. Okay, so it will run from August 1 until September 30, 2025. So which is the first term would be 15% down payment, okay, spread until the turnover date with 6 months, additional 6 months on the down payment period. So with that term, you can avail a 3% discount. Okay, so the second option will be a bigger down payment, and it would be at around 20% down payment. Okay, with launch discount of 3% and another 2% discount. So mas malaki yung discount na makukuha ninyo if you'd get that 20% down payment term. And also, yung down payment period niya would extend up to 53 months. So ito yung kagandahan sa promo sa rainy day promo ni the Valeron Tower. Okay. And then lastly, this is only applicable for studio units because recently we just launched released a certain number of studio units for the Valeron Tower. So we lowered down the down payment hanggang 12%. Okay, so maya makakita ninyo on how affordable, how yung binaba na monthly down payment for a studio unit. Okay, so now I'll show you na the sample computations for at first kay studio unit. Okay, so this computation are based for our 32.50 square meters. Okay, so it is an elongated type na na-discuss rin ni Conrad kanina. So pahaba yung this is our standard layout, okay, mostly for our studio and one bedroom unit. Okay, and ang size nito is at 32.50 square meters. Okay, so medyo malaki because here in the Valorant Towers, malaki yung mga unit sizes natin and also maluluwag yung mga layouts natin dito compared to our existing projects. Okay, so studio unit is priced at 8.1 million. Okay, with the payment term, the studio unit. Okay, so the studio unit meron tayong 12% payment and 3% launch discount. Okay, so from 8.1, we'd lower it. We'll get a promo discount na 240,000 and ang net contract price natin would fall at 7.9 M. So this computation I provided with you is at 15% down payment pero pwede pang mas mababa pa ito at 12. Okay, pero for this sample computation at 15. So if you want to know more, nandiyan yung numbers ko, you may contact me anytime. Okay, so the 50%, let's get the 50% at 1.1 million. So less the reservation fee of 20,000. So our net down payment is at 1.1 million 65,388. So we will equally divide it into 53 months. So for 53 months, ang down payment natin, monthly down payment natin would be at 21,988. Okay? And then yung remaining balance po natin at 6.7 million. Plus the closing fees of 829,000. So ito na yung magiging loanable amount natin or you could put it into or cash. Okay. So for this computation, this is approximate rates only for bank financing, maximum of 20 years at 56,000, for 15 years at 62,000, and 10 years at 78,000 pesos. Okay. And then yung next computation natin would be at for the one bedroom unit. Okay. So imagine niyo how big our one bedroom unit size for the Valorant Towers. So it is ang size niya is at 46.50 square meters. Parang two-bedroom unit ng kapitbahay niya. Ayan. So, malaki yung sizes natin dito. Okay, so and it is priced at 8.9 million. Okay, so again, with less 3% launch discount na 267,000. Okay, so ang net contract price natin is at 8.6 M. So let's get the 50% down payment amounting to 1.2 million, almost 1.3 M. So, and less the reservation fee of 20,000. And ang net down payment natin is at 1.2 million, 78,733. Ito na equally divide natin for 53 months. Okay, so for 53 months, so ang turnover pala nito would be at February 2030. Okay, so kagandahan dito sa promo na to, fully extend siya. So mas mahaba kasi here with the MCI Homes, the longer the monthly payment, syempre mas mababa yung the longer the down payment period, mas mababa yung monthly payments natin. Okay, so for a one bedroom unit na 46.50 square meters, ang monthly down payment natin sa 24,127. And yung remaining balance natin at 85%, amounting to 7.3 million, plus the closing fees of 909,000. So, ang expected na estimated ang monthly amortization natin for 20 years at 61,000, for 15 years at 68,000, and for 10 years at 86,000 pesos. So, ang next computation natin is at two-bedroom unit. So, sa two-bedroom unit natin, ang size nito is at 67 square meters. Okay. So for this computation, iba yung layout niya. So it really depends on your preference, on your requirement. Kung anong layout na magugustuhan ninyo. Pero on this computation, ito yung layout niya. So medyo unique yung layout niya compared to our standard ones. Okay. So dito, ang price nito, 67 square meters, ang price niya is at 11.5 M. Okay. So let's less the 3% discount amounting to 347,000. So magiging 11.2 million na lang siya. Okay, and let's get the 50% down payment amounting to 1.6 million, less the reservation fee of 20,000. So net down payment natin is 1,665,617. So ito na equally divide natin for 53 months. So for 53 months, ang monthly down payment natin sa 31,426. So imagine niyo, napakababa itong monthly payment natin for a two-bedroom unit. Okay? Knowing na ang laki ng size niyan. Ito, nakita ko pala sa layout pa lang yung bedroom 1 mahaba, malaki. 'Di ba? Parang meron ng sariling spot yung vanity mirror mo or pwede mong gawing office desk, 'di ba? Na harap niya ang balcony. 'Di ba? So maganda yung layout na to. So very spacious. We can compare this siguro 67 more on like Alder Crestmont, ganun yung mga kalalaking sizes natin. And dito rin napansin ko yung balcony niya medyo maliit. So mas bigger yung inner unit niya. So mas na-maximize yung space niya, 'di ba? So yan. So yung balance niya 85%, so maximum of 20 years at 79,000, 15 years at 88,000 and 10 years at 112,000. Okay? And then lastly, yung computation natin for the 3-bedroom unit, okay? Excuse me. So for our 3-bedroom unit, so this is the standard size. Okay. So dito, pero ang kagandahan nito, yung standard layout nga siya. Some 3-bedroom units has a balcony. Pero on this unit layout, wala siyang balcony. Okay. And ang kagandahan nito, 84.50 square meters siya. Pero walang balcony. So mas malaki yung bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 natin. Kung mapansin niyo. So doon nag-adjust yung sa balcony size natin. Mas pinalaki natin yung mga natin yung bedroom area natin. Okay? And pagdating sa price, it is priced at 14.3 M. Okay, halos same din ng mga existing projects natin like si Allegra, halos kayo na yung price, 13 million. Si Alder Residences, si Crestmont, ganun. Si Crestmont, medyo pala mataas na konti. So, pero pagdating dito sa Pasig area, halos pare-parehas na yung price natin for the 3-bedroom unit. Nasa 14 million, 14 million up, okay? So, for this term, okay, so mag-less tayo ng 430,000. So, ang net contract price natin is at 13.9 million. Okay, and let's get the 50% down payment amounting to 2,087,000. Then less the reservation fee of 20,000. So net down payment natin would fall at 2,067,488. Okay, so ito na equally divide natin for 53 months, di ba? So for 53 months, 3-bedroom unit, 84.50 square meters at 39,000 a month. Diba? So, mababa ang monthly payment. So, kagandahan nito, pwede mong pangtaasan din yung down payment ninyo. So, syempre, mas mataas ang down payment, mas mataas ang discount natin. Okay. So, dito po, for the balance, 85%, is amounting to 11.8 M. Okay, plus the closing fees of 1.4 million. Okay. So, ito yung estimated na monthly amortization natin, maximum of 20 years, at 98,000, 15 years at 109,000, and 10 years at 138,000 pesos. Okay? Ayan. So, that concludes my discussion for our sample computation. So, if you want to know more, okay, about this project, nandyan yung mga numbers namin, and you may also contact us doon sa mga presenters natin. Napakagaling, napakahusay nilang lahat. So, anytime just contact them if you want them to assist you. So yan. So boss, thank you so much po for giving me this opportunity to discuss yung ating mga computations kay the Valorant Towers. Good night po.
Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Um, Thank you so much for joining also for the Valorant Tower webinar natin. And then I would like also to thank to our presenters. Number one, si Miss Hannah Magat for sharing the project presentation, details and location. Also, Conrad Leomo for presenting the available units and the type of the units. Also, Meets for sharing the project details and the promo for this month of August. So, for any inquiries, I would like to share this, wait lang. Would like to share this picture. Baka may mga inquiry po sila, pwede po sila magtanong this ating mga agent. Si, wait, I would like to share the number para mas maganda. Ayan. Okay. So this is all my agents, guys, clients, and viewers. So if you have any inquiries or assistance of for the investment of DMCI Homes or Valorant Towers, you may contact Meets Abache 0995915555. Parang Satdinas lang to ah. Conrad Leomo 0910 0704582. Hannah Magat, property consultant. They're all property consultants. 0962 0860857. Jasmine Harvina, 099-777-3582. Revkin Carlos, 0921-856-8038. Lennon Adarayan, 0961-871-7465. And Estela Yop, 0915-912-4896. So if you have more inquiries or looking for an investment na no down payment, no cash out na mas malaki. So, please call now before mag-price increase. Okay? So, thank you guys and have a good night. And yun lang po. So, if you have any inquiries, hopefully, wait po pala. This coming Sunday, we have an event in the Valorant Towers, and we have promo po this I would like to share lang po ha the the promo for this Sunday. So wait lang po, hindi masyado naka-prepare ah. Like saglit lang. Okay. So meron kaming big event na gaganapin po this coming Sunday in our Valorant showroom. And we have a special promo na if you're going to reserve until on that day of the event, meron tayong Alta Vista de Boracay voucher. Okay? So, yan guys. Alta Vista voucher, and I believe meron din tayong less 20,000 discount. Parang rebates na din yon. Parang yung reservation nyo na 20,000 is deductible siya doon sa ating list price. So, malaki yung discount. And of course, yung in-explain ni, ni Meets Abache, yung promo natin na launch discount 3% and 2%. Super laki po ng discount natin. And this is only exclusive for this month of August. And then this coming Sunday is may additional discount pa tayo. So our location this coming Sunday is in the Valorant Tower showroom located in 100E Rodriguez Jr. Avenue along C5 Road, Pasig City. So I think this is formerly Mitsubishi showroom. Okay? So hopefully I'll see you guys, and thank you and have a great night. Bye!